Hello, good afternoon everyone. How many of you is from IT or software? Can you raise? Who is understand about IT and software? Okay, only 1, 2, 3, only 3. Okay, then 4, very good. I will adjust a little bit my presentation for non-IT people. And my second question is, who knows what is clouds? The clouds. Who know clouds? Yeah, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. But actually, this is clouds. Everyone knows clouds, but I see only 6 hands here. But today I will share with you about clouds in digital world. So everyone is using mobile apps on your phone. Everyone have phones, everyone have 10, 50, sometimes 100 mobile apps. Also use website, use Facebook. So these mobile apps, they're living inside your phone. And when you play with this, is very fast, very good. But what's happening actually? What you see in your phone, but this is what actually happening. All these apps on your phone is just a picture, yes, let's say like this. But behind these apps is a cloud. All apps, they store data in a cloud. They store video, pictures, text, your personal data like your name, your email, everything what you see, all the content is stored in the cloud. Cloud is IT infrastructure somewhere in the world running on computers. And who is those cloud providers? Who provide the cloud services? Where are all these apps running, all the websites? They are running at cloud providers. Cloud providers like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, all them are from US. Most of big cloud providers, large cloud providers from USA. Also, we know Alibaba, we know Tencent, we know Huawei, they have their own clouds, they are from China. They run in China, so when you upload or you save your personal data in mobile apps, it is stored in China or in US or have in France OVH cloud, in Germany, Hensler, Vietnam, Singapore, even Thailand, they have their own cloud. Sometime before the incident 1 year ago with Thailand, the issue happened. Some of the Cambodian companies, they used Thailand cloud to store personal data of customers, your photos, your videos, your records, your financial records, yes? So how about Cambodia? Why not in Cambodia? But before sharing what happening about Cambodia cloud, I want to ask you, if you have money, yes, like imagine you have $1 million, in which bank you will put this $1 million? I want to know. There are good banks in USA, yes, there are good banks in China, probably in France, and there are also local banks. So where you will keep your money? Which bank? Just tell me a name. Anyone know bank names? Which one? I'm not here. I just want to know, maybe you prefer to store your money in USA, and then if issue happen, you need to fly to USA bank, meet bank counter in USA, somewhere in New York, or if you store in China, maybe you need to fly to Shenzhen just to provide your passport scan or something like this. No, no one doing this. Everyone is using ABA, Celeda, or Winbank or something else. Another question, are you, for your mobile phone, are you using a SIM card from USA or China? They have very great operators. China is launched now 5 or 6G network already. Very fast, very perfect. But are you using Chinese SIM card on your phone? I think not. Everyone use smart. Everyone use smart cell card net phone for your mobile data, for your mobile calls. Everyone use local banks. Like this is only 3 largest one, but have many other banks in Cambodia, right? So how about this? How about cloud? How about storing all the data from your apps? So what is happening about Cambodia? In Cambodia, since 2 years now, we have first and only one for now national Cambodian cloud. It is called dpcloud or Phnom Penh cloud. It is built in Cambodia, it is owned by Cambodian shareholders, and it is built for Cambodian businesses. Here This beautiful building is actually our data center where dpcloud lives, and this is our team. One more question I want to ask. Not ask, I just share with you my thought that currently the data is most valuable assets in the world. It's not oil anymore, it's not gasoline, it's not even cash money. The data is the power. If you have data, if you have information, then you can get money, then you can get everything. You can get even power over other people, right? So, same like money, you should think where you store your data. Your personal data, your financial transaction, bank transaction, whatever, your photos, they say last 1 minute. So this, think where the data stored. There are many options, but now we have dpcloud, the only one right option for Cambodia. As dpcloud, we have currently a lot of services already. This cannot read, this is small boxes, is our services. We start from cloud servers, web hosting, email hosting, we have cloud storage, we have a lot of things. We have even dp openclaw. Openclaw is AI agent. Now AI agents very popular. Yes, everyone want to have AI agents. Now you can have dp openclaw. Just subscribing from our website, and in 3 minutes you will pay with QR code, APA or Khmer QR code, and you will get this dp openclaw and ready AI agent for you. Yeah, so this is what I want to share. So my message is like this. Before you start using cloud provider, don't think about Amazon, don't think about Google or DigitalOcean, think about dpcloud first. Phnom Penh Cloud, Cambodian national cloud provider. Thank you.